Hello, my friend. Welcome to this episode of the Slow English Podcast. Today, I want to share a message with you. A gentle message. A simple message. A message for your heart and for your English journey. This episode is about starting English step by step, staying motivated, and continuing your learning even when it feels slow. So, take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders, relax your mind, and come with me, slowly. Part 1. The beginning. Every journey begins with a single step. But many people forget this. They want to jump to the end. They want to speak perfectly. They want to understand everything. They want fast results. And when the results are not fast, they feel disappointed. They feel stressed. They say to themselves, maybe English is not for me. Maybe I am too slow. Maybe I cannot do this. But my friend, listen carefully. There is nothing wrong with you. Nothing at all. Learning a language is not supposed to be fast. It is supposed to be gentle. It is supposed to be slow, just like nature. A flower does not open in one day. A tree does not grow in 1 week. And your English will not grow overnight. It needs time. It needs patience. It needs love. Part 2. The power of slow learning. Slow learning is powerful, stronger than fast learning, stronger than pressure, stronger than stress. When you learn slowly, you understand more deeply, you remember more clearly, you feel more confident, you build a strong foundation, step by step. Let me show you something simple. If you learn 5 small words a day, in 1 year, you will know more than 1,800 words. If you listen to 10 minutes of simple English every day, your ears will slowly become comfortable with English sounds. If you speak 1 minute a day, your voice will slowly become confident with English sentences. Small steps, repeated every day, create big progress. Every day counts. Every minute counts. Nothing is wasted. Part 3. Mistakes are your friends. Many learners are afraid of mistakes. But mistakes are your friends, your teachers, your guides. When you make a mistake, you learn something new. When you make a mistake, your brain grows. When you make a mistake, you become stronger. Children make mistakes all the time. They say words wrong. They use grammar wrong. But they don't stop. They don't feel embarrassed. They continue. And that's why children learn so fast. So please, do not be afraid of mistakes. Do not hide from them. Welcome them. Learn from them. They are part of your journey. Part 4. The emotional journey. Sometimes learning English is not about grammar, not about vocabulary, not about rules. Sometimes the real problem is our feelings. Maybe you feel shy. Maybe you feel embarrassed. Maybe you think you are slow. Maybe you think it is too late to learn. Let me tell you something important. You are not late. You are not slow. You are not bad at languages. You are human. Every learner has fear. Every learner has doubt. Every learner has bad days. What matters is not perfection. What matters is that you continue, even slowly, even gently, even quietly. Part 5. A simple daily routine. Here is a small routine you can use every day. It is simple, it is light, and it works. 5 minutes. Learn a few new words. 10 minutes. Listen to a slow English audio. 5 minutes. Speak 2 or 3 sentences. 5 minutes. Review what you learned yesterday. Just 25 minutes. If 25 minutes feels too much, you can do even less. Even 5 minutes a day will move you forward. Remember, small steps are still steps. Part 6. Add English to your life. English is not just a subject to study. English is a part of your life. You can add English to your day in simple, gentle ways. Listen while you walk. Listen while you cook. Listen while you make tea. Read one sentence before bed. Watch one short video during lunch. You don't need pressure. You only need contact. Every day. English likes to stay close to you. Keep it close. Part 7. The future you. Now, I want you to imagine something. Imagine the future version of yourself, the version that understands more, the version that speaks more clearly, the version that feels confident, the version that is proud. That future is real. That future is possible. And that future is waiting for you. Every small step you take today brings you closer to that future version of yourself. You are not starting from zero. You are starting from experience. You are starting from courage. You are starting from a dream. And dreams grow when we take small steps with love. Part 8. Final thoughts. So, my friend, whatever your level is, whatever your age is, whatever your past experiences were, remember this simple truth. Start small, move slowly, stay consistent, be patient, and enjoy the journey. Your English will grow every day, quietly, beautifully, naturally. Thank you for listening to this episode. I am proud of you. I believe in you. Keep going, keep learning, and I will see you in the next episode.